Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Surrealism templates in Explore 2024 Trends, Canva 2024 Trends. All you have to do now, you can open canva.com on your browser and try to find Design Trends 2024, Explore 2024 Trends, Aspect Pixels, Positivity, Popping Colors, and Surreal Scenes in 2024. So let's start with the third one, Surrealism. Just click it. Here you can leave the real world behind, inspired by the 20th century art movement. Surrealism is back to challenge how you see the world. Fantasy art, ethereal designs, and weird subconscious connection are at the core of this trend. Get ready to escape the real world and imagine a new one with a surreal scene. Here we go. There are total 9 templates that you can use. So let's try with this one, Chaos Drives My Creative Side. Click it. So you can start your brand here, or your quotes, or anything that you want. You can change the text, change these materials or element, and there's an octopus here. Let's try to repositioning, and there's a wave. Let's make a chaos here, and here aligns to top, and this one maybe I want to move this. So this is more or less how you can use this as Surrealism templates on your design. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.